Welcome to the final leg of our Spanish journey. We begin part 3 at the nation's high-altitude frontier, the majestic Pyrenees. In the Ordesa Valley, vertical limestone walls tower over ancient forests, creating one of Europe's most dramatic natural theaters. Further east, the landscape softens into a kingdom of water where hundreds of glacial lakes are connected by winding mountain streams. Ancient stone villages like Torla serve as gateways to these peaks, where life still moves at the pace of the mountains. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. From the ancient peaks, we travel to the future. Valencia's City of Arts and Sciences is a global landmark of modern architecture. Designed by Santiago Calatrava, these structures redefine the urban landscape like the giant eye of Le Hemispheric. The Science Museum's skeletal frame is a masterpiece of light and reflection, a celebration of human ingenuity. Nearby, the lily-shaped roofs of l'Oceanographic House, the largest aquarium in Europe, a sanctuary for marine life. Across the Mediterranean, the Balearic Islands offer a different kind of sanctuary. Mallorca's backbone is the rugged Serra de Tramuntana. In the village of Valdemosa, narrow stone alleys lead to hidden squares, a place that has long inspired artists and dreamers. In Pollença, the 365 Calvary steps offer a spiritual ascent, each step framed by ancient cypress trees and historic charm. The road to Sacalobra is a masterpiece of engineering, a winding path that cuts through some of the island's most dramatic terrain. From the high cliffs of Es Colomer, the Mediterranean unfolds in every direction, a landscape of endless blue and rugged stone. Ibiza, beyond its vibrant reputation, possesses a quiet, green interior where ancient traditions and natural beauty endure. The mystical rock of Es Vedrà stands as a sentinel on the horizon, a symbol of the island's raw and untamed spirit. In the old town of Dalt Vila, centuries of history are etched into the massive stone walls that have guarded the island for generations. Returning to the mainland, we find Andalusia's white villages. Ronda sits atop a sheer limestone cliff, split by a 120-meter deep gorge. In Setenil de las Bodegas, the architecture is unique, with entire streets built directly into the rock overhangs of the canyon. These pueblos blancos are a legacy of Moorish heritage, their lime-washed walls designed to deflect the intense southern sun. For those seeking adventure, the Caminito del Rey offers a thrilling walk along a narrow boardwalk suspended high above a sheer canyon. The landscape of Andalusia is defined by its rolling hills and endless olive groves, the golden heart of Spanish agriculture. Our 3-part tour of Spain comes to an end. From the high peaks to the deep south, Spain remains a land of endless discovery. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.